Once upon a time, a hungry jackal lived in a large forest. Every day he searched for food. Sometimes he found berries and sometimes he found small animals, but often he stayed hungry. One hot afternoon, the jackal was walking through the forest when he saw something amazing. A huge elephant was lying under a tree. The elephant was dead. The jackal's eyes became wide with joy. "Wonderful," he said. "This elephant is so big. I will have food for many days." He quickly ran to the elephant and tried to bite its skin. But the elephant's skin was very thick and tough. The jackal bit and pulled. He scratched and clawed. He tried again and again, but he could not make even a small hole. "Oh no," he cried. "There is so much food here, but I cannot eat it." The jackal sat down and thought carefully. Just then he saw a lion coming toward him. The jackal became nervous, but then he got an idea. He bowed respectfully and said, "Welcome, Your Majesty. I have been guarding this elephant for you." The lion looked at the elephant and then at the jackal. The jackal hoped the lion would tear open the skin before eating. But the lion shook his head. "I do not eat animals that I did not kill myself," said the lion. Then he turned around and walked away. The jackal watched him leave. "There goes my chance," he said sadly. A little later, a leopard came near the elephant. The jackal quickly made another plan. He said, "Dear leopard, please run away. The lion killed this elephant and asked me to guard it. If he sees you here, he will be very angry." The leopard became frightened. "The lion killed this elephant?" he asked. "Yes," replied the jackal. "He may return at any moment." The leopard did not wait another second. He ran deep into the forest. The jackal laughed quietly. "That trick worked," he said. But he was still hungry. Soon a tiger walked by. The jackal looked at the tiger's strong teeth and sharp claws. Then he smiled. "Friend tiger," said the jackal, "you look hungry. The lion killed this elephant and asked me to watch it. He will not return for some time. Why don't you eat a little? I will warn you if I see the lion." The tiger was happy. "Thank you," he said. The tiger jumped onto the elephant and began tearing the thick skin with his powerful claws. At last, the elephant's meat became easy to reach. The jackal waited patiently. As soon as the tiger opened the elephant's skin, the jackal shouted loudly, "Run! The lion is coming back." The tiger became terrified. "What? The lion is here?" Without looking behind him, he ran away as fast as he could. The jackal smiled. "Now the feast is mine," he said. He climbed onto the elephant and began eating. The meat was delicious. The jackal ate until he was full. For the first time in many days, he did not feel hungry. The next morning, another jackal found the elephant. He wanted to share the food. But the clever jackal did not want anyone else to take his feast. The two jackals argued and fought. Finally, The stranger became scared and ran away. Now the elephant belonged only to the clever jackal. For many days he ate from the elephant and never went hungry. As he enjoyed his meal, he smiled and thought, "Strong animals have power, but clever animals can win with wisdom." The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.